So here's an example of a custom product that you can build with Microvellum. This is a parametric bench seating for a customer that builds courthouse and worship seating, and they had some specific requirements around how that would be built, and so went ahead and created a custom product here in order to achieve that. So here's an example. We've got different end types as an example, so we can change it to a cantilevered end, and that'll change how the product is constructed. You can change the size of the product here, and based on the material availability, we can have different sizes of parts that come out for those products, and it'll add supports as needed in order to make that the way it needs to be. So we can have grooves and things cut in the ends for to receive those parts, and here we've got a joint in the backs, and so we could add additional machining and things in there as well. But just to give you an idea of some of the different options that we've got set up in here, this one we've got custom ends, and so the customer wants maybe 2.5-inch ends, and maybe they're floor model ends, and so we can do things like that, and so it'll adjust the number of supports and where the joints land and all those sorts of things. So being able to create custom products, custom parametric products, is what Microvellum is all about. And so because it's based as just an Excel file in the background, you can simply write some of those formulas that are required to calculate support spacings and locations and all the details of things like this. So whether you're building door frames or bench seating or cabinetry or stairs or any other type of product, Microvellum can be used in order to achieve those different things and create different options within those products for your specific production needs.